So now Scott has this white background just to eliminate any variables, someone standing here or even a hose. He's got the HMI set up to recognize faults, not only limit switch faults, but a camera fault. So we'll show all normal condition first. So he's pressed start, and you can see that the limit's reading. The controller is seeing the limit. And if he moves the arm, as long as the camera sees the arm in position and the limit is made, then all conditions are normal. So he just put the arm in the down position. The down limit was activated, and you can see the screen pretty much is telling you everything's normal. Now he's going to make a random limit fail. He's using the magnet on a screwdriver to cause a limit failure. We get a flashing light, and at the same time on the HMI we get an image showing a picture of the arm, and you can see the red mark indicating which limit has gone bad. So I'll have Scott do a different position. So he's going to move the arm to a different position and make another limit fail. And again, the red light comes on, and now we're going to get an image for a different picture. Sorry, Scott.
It's okay.
You can see the red mark indicating a different limit failure. Now we're going to simulate the camera being whacked out of position for some reason. So he just shut off the software, so the camera's not registering at all. The camera just got turned off. So the camera is not running, is all this is right now, and a button came up that says check cam. So if he clicks on the button, we could put a message there, check camera power, press start. So he'll press start now, and that button should disappear off the root screen, the home screen. So you don't see that there. Go ahead and click it one more time, Scott, and you see now it comes back. So it could then walk maintenance through a complete troubleshooting guide from the HMI. Well done.